Hello guys. So today is a big vlog because I'm finally going back to Dubai, my home. I mean, like you know, what I know this is my home country, but Dubai is like my actual home for me. Like that is where I actually belong. So I'm finally going back to Dubai because I came to India because of some emergency and we got stuck here for about like like as of today, I think 4 months have been gone since we came. So wow, that's a big time. So finally we are going back, and I thought I'll just vlog my experience. So let's go. We'll be going. My flight is at 11, so we need to reach the airport at 5 at least to take PCR and stuff. We need to take PCR 4 hours before the flight, right? So we need to take PCR and we need to reach there by 5 or something. So right now it's like 2. So in 2.5 hours, 3 hours, we'll get ready and we'll go, and it's gonna be sad leaving India, but whatever. Okay guys, so we reached the airport. So this is the airport. This airport has improved a lot since the last time we came, and it's actually good. So yeah, that farewell, the farewell which I told my family, that is a pretty emotional farewell. I mean, I don't think we'll come back for another 2 years or something. That's how much like shocked we are by how long we stayed here. So we are right now waiting for our rapid PCR test, and it's been like I think over an hour waiting, and still they haven't called our token. They're very slow, but they're doing it for our own safety. So okay, then I guess I'll update you guys there. So we did a test and now we are waiting for our result. It will come. They told us to wait. It will come, I think, in 5-10 minutes. So we'll wait, and then I think I won't be able to film near the immigration office stuff and all. So I'll get back to you guys once. Yeah, I'll update you guys. Yeah. So they started boarding the planes. This much time we were just chilling on these leaning chairs and stuff. They were so comfortable. So we are getting on the plane. Yes, I'm so excited, man. Plus, this plane is Fly Dubai. I haven't gone in Fly Dubai yet. I don't know what is the style of that plane. So we'll see after getting in. Oh, this is the face shield. Fly Dubai. My brother is here. Okay, you guys didn't today. How are you feeling out to go to Dubai after 4 months?
I'm so excited
Yeah.
to see Dubai.
He's the most excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, the airport is so much more neater, right? Last time when we came, it was not that good, but here now things are very quick. I mean, in the beginning it was slow, but then after the immigration process and all, it became really quick. And yeah, our flight is at 11 o'clock now. We ate some food, like some snacks. You can say it's not dinner. Yeah, but we ate some snacks just to fill our stomach. Yeah, and then let's just see what we get in the plane. Oh guys, I'm in the flight right. Look at this, there's like mini TVs over here. So it's a pretty good flight, right? It was better than the flight we came in. The flight which we came in was very congested. This has like leg space and stuff.
Yeah.
You can stretch our legs and all. It has onboard Wi-Fi. So I think we'll get back to you guys after takeoff. So bye. when we came to Dubai, like Dubai airport, right? One of my favorite things about Dubai airport, the reason why it's still the best airport of all time, is because everything is so systematic. You know, everything happens in an order. You know, there's so much neatness and efficiency in their work that, like, in as you saw in India, it took us like 3 hours just to get to the what do you say, immigration or something, I guess. But in Dubai, 20 minutes, and that's it. Just 20 minutes was enough to take our baggage, then do our immigration, do our rapid PCR test. Just 20 minutes was enough. That's how quick and efficient they are, and that's one of my favorite things. So I guess that's where I'll end the vlog. Now I need to go and sleep. That's all I want to do. I just want to go home and just fall on the bed and sleep. So I'll update you guys later. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.